How to recover deleted stories in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can recover deleted stories in Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe you uploaded a story, you deleted it right after. In order to recover it, the easiest way I'd recommend you is just re-upload that story, because other than re-uploading it, there's no another way. If you had archived it, let's say, you can come to your profile page, tap the three dots, go to archive, and then go to story archive. You'll be able to see a list of stories that was already uploaded in the past. Now these are not deleted, these stories just got expired after 24 hours, but Facebook saves them automatically anytime you want to try and save them later. So if you're talking about this is also another option. But if you deleted it right after, you will not be able to find them here. These are the stories that had been viewed up to 24 hours and it got expired automatically, so they are saved to our archive. But let's say you just deleted it, there's no way you can also re-upload that story. So how do you get that story back? For that, tap the three lines option, tap the gear icon here. Here you can see the search icon. In the search icon, just type in download. When you type in download here, you'll find the option called download your information. So let me just go ahead and do that. Right here you can say download information, tap on it. When you tap on download information, you should be able to see all this, where you can simply request a download here. Once you request a download, just make sure to select only your Facebook account in this case, and after that just tap on next. Then you'll be able to see a complete copy, or you can select the types of information only. In the types of information tab, you want to simply make sure to select Facebook stories here, as you'd be able to find it, and then after that you can just tap on next option in order to get the stories downloaded. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then recover deleted stories. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.